All right, welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. Chef Carlton here. Today I got a special one for you guys. This one was requested by my boy Tommy over there in England. Tommy has been one of my most loyal subscribers. He's been with me since day one. He's even teaching his daughters and his family some of my recipes, and they're doing pretty well. I gotta say, Tommy has also been very helpful and in donating to my charity, because as you guys know, most of the proceeds I make from my cooking videos goes to homeless people in Florida, and feed the poor and all that good stuff. So thank you guys for staying tuned and watching. I'm gonna dive right into this one right now, guys. All right, guys, this is everything I'm using, and again, guys, this is my recipe. All right, so a lot of people probably wouldn't use oil or wouldn't use the browning, wouldn't use the nutmeg or the cinnamon, but trust me, guys, if you guys follow me for this one. This one's going to be great. So I got some brown sugar, onion, ginger, garlic, green onion, some allspice. I'm using some Scotch Bonnet. I'm doing 4, so this is going to be really spicy. Some dry thyme, and then a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, some canola oil. Olive oil will work better too, but I'm using canola this time, and some browning. So without further ado, I'm gonna get right into it, guys. All right, so everything is cut. I just removed the stem from the peppers. Ginger just cut small size. Allspice I leave whole. Onion rough chop. The dry thyme I leave them whole. Those, as soon as those start getting blended, those are gonna just break up. Garlic I leave those whole. All right, so I'm gonna blend these. If you have a food processor, you could, but I'm gonna blend these. All right, give you guys a close-up view. I'm gonna start by adding my Scotch bonnets. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil. I'll put the exact measurement in the description. Listen, if I don't want it to be sitting, so that's good. And we'll talk about adding some browning. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the nutmeg. Just a pinch. You guys just want a pinch of it. That's perfect. Same for the cinnamon. Just a pinch. You're not even gonna taste that. All right, that's that. I'm gonna add our brown sugar. That's that. Now chop onions, thyme. Don't skimp on the produce, guys. All right, I'm gonna be doing enough so I could get a nice portion. So now we're gonna add our ginger and green onions. One more piece of the ginger. And then we're gonna add our garlic. 4 cloves of garlic, and then last, well not last, but allspice. And these are tiny, so let me just. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and to this nice mixture we have here, we're gonna add a tad of browning. All right, so that will help us with our color. But yeah, now we're just gonna go ahead and get this on the blender. All right, guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and hit the liquefier. Gonna barely pulse this slowly. A good nice blend. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, now our jerk marinade is ready. So now we're gonna go ahead and transfer this to our mason jar, and this should be the exact amount. Oops, I'm a bit short. And that way you see there, you got this piece of ginger that wasn't blended out all the way, but that's fine. That's all that do is give us more flavor. Now we're just gonna go ahead and seal this bad boy, and then you could keep this in your refrigerator. Oh yeah, that's it, guys. Very simple, very easy recipe. Yeah, sometimes you want to do a dry, sometimes you want to do a wet rub. So my man Tommy, you asked for this one, buddy. Here you are, man. Hope you guys are alright. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. Thank you guys for watching. This is Chef Carlton saying goodbye for now.